why your visas are getting refused. Let's talk about this today. Now, if you really look at the data, most of the visas which are getting refused are the COVID visas, or you are on a 485 visa and now you're trying to jump again on a student visa, or in some circumstances students who started in 2022 or who came in early 2022 and then they changed their courses, and especially those who changed their courses and they went down and applied courses like cookery and stuff like that, moving from masters or bachelors, their visas are getting refused. Now guys, if you really look at it, last physical year, all the students or temporary migrants who were here in Australia, all of you for many last few years or many years, you had a right. It was a honeymoon period where you have full-time work rights, you don't have to pay for any visas, and you can just be on a COVID visa and work full-time, and pretty much other than Medicare card, you were pretty much, your privileges were similar to what we Australians get the privileges here. All right, now many of you who did study and work and then got their skill assessments and working in their own occupation, all of you got your permanent residency last physical year. There were people who got permanent residency last physical year. I couldn't even believe they would ever get it, but it was very good. Congratulations to everyone. Now moving forward, see, the thing is, you have messed up. You had got plenty of time. Now coming back to the point, when your visas are getting refused, there might be a chance where you can go to tribunal. It's not gonna be easy go though. It's not gonna be easy go whatsoever. It's not gonna be an easy go. I'll tell you very clearly, it's not gonna be an easy go. You need to change how you think. You need to start looking on the occupation, work in the occupation, study, go to your classes, do the right things. If you opt to apply for tribunal, and if you wish, you want to win that matter. So guys, good luck with everybody, but you need to think. It's for your own benefit. I'm being getting very blunt, but this is how it is. Take care, good luck, have a lovely weekend.